Hi students, welcome to Grace Tuition Center YouTube channel. In Grace Tuition Center YouTube channel, we have created a playlist called Basic Electronics in order to teach students who doesn't know anything about electronics but have interest in it. We have started this playlist. So in this playlist, we will teach you what is electronics, the basic electronic components such as resistors, capacitors, inductors, diodes, transistors, and ICs. After teaching these electronic components, we will teach you how to solder in a PCB and then how to give connection to basic circuits. So students, please subscribe our channel and also click the notification button so that you will get all the notification. So come, let's go into the video. So students, before seeing what is electronics, we will see what is an atom. An atom is the smallest part of a substance that cannot be broken down chemically. Inside an atom, it has a nucleus. The nucleus will be in the center of the atom. Inside the nucleus, there is positively charged particles, which is called the protons, and the uncharged particles or the neutrally charged particles, which is called the neutrons. In the orbit of the atom, there is negatively charged particles, which is called the electrons. Now we will see what is current is. The movement of electrons from negatively charged atoms to positively charged atoms is called current. The potential difference which is applied to move these electrons is called voltage. Now we will see what is electronics is. The study of behavior of movement of these electrons is called electronics. In electronics, there is conductors, insulators, and semiconductors. Now conductors. Conductors are the materials that has large number of free electrons and are the materials that allows current through them. The resistance of these conducting materials will be very low. Example, gold, silver, copper, and iron. Insulators. Insulators are the materials which does not allow current through them. The resistance will be very high. Example, mica, glass, Teflon, and paper. Semiconductors. Semiconductors are the materials which can be altered either into a conductor or an insulator. Now we will see about electronic components. First, passive electronic components and active electronic components. Passive electronic components are the components which does not need an external power source to function. Example, resistors, capacitors, and inductors. Active electronic components. Active electronic components are the components which need an external power source to function. So students, with this we wind up this video. In the next class, we will see what is resistors, types of resistors, how to find the resistors value in a resistor, its color codings and all. So students, if you like this video, kindly subscribe to our channel, share with your friends to support us. So till then, bye bye.